In this video, I will show you how to change your ClassPass email. First, open the app, or in my case, the website. On the upper right corner of your screen, click on your profile. Then, from the drop-down menu, click Account. From the options that appear, scroll down and click Settings at the bottom. Next, select Update Personal Information. Here you can go to either primary email or secondary email depending on which one you want to change. I will go with the primary email. Simply type in your new email address, then click the blue Save Changes button. You will get a confirmation message, so you will know your email was successfully updated. And that's how to change your ClassPass email.